Here are 5 AIs that might become huge in the future. This is Nume AI. This AI allows CFOs and CEOs to stay on top of their finances and emails and also Excel reports by using AI summaries to allow them to improve in their essay writings and Excel reports. This AI allows us to see what is good and narrow it down to its last method so that you can easily understand what is causing to improve in this. This AI is still in production and it's about to become huge in it is going to become huge in the coming years. There are over 30 plus CFOs who have worked with over 300 startups just like this and CFOs this is a great AI. This is a straightforward AI based tool called myAIninja. This is based off France where you can create drafts based on post, carousel, or blog post, and using AI, this can make a whole new post for us. Now, let me show you an example. So, I've already created a draft here, and let me create a post. So, you can use the voice recorder feature here to voice out the draft recording that you need without typing it and easily upload drafts in your social media account. So let me show you an example. Let's say I want to create an AI in this coming few week where we have to create the steps. Let's see how the AI can do it. I have to create AI in the next few weeks where we have to have steps in order to create the AI. This AI is based on YouTube production. Now let's stop it. Now you can see how this has made it in text. Let's create a post. As you can see, this is a AI based tool. So it specifically made an entire post based on how you can do it. This is actually a really good AI, guys. You can also create images. You can create what type of image you want, either portrait or landscape. Let's say I want landscape image. As you can see, guys, it has created an AI for us, an image. You can also play around with the advanced settings here to improve the AI. This is a comparatively new AI, which is not very common. You can also see editorial calendar here where you can plan how you can upload your blogs and like data onto your social media. You can see here key dates and planning on when you want to upload and upload your posts and blogs. There are so many parameters where you can look into this and play with it. You can basically create your own career based off this data AI. Now let us move on to Wayin AI. This AI is actually an extension in Google Chrome website where you can translate videos into small summaries and stop watching the videos in a few seconds and get what is inside the video. Let's see how it's used. So I already got the extension where I downloaded a file. Now let us go to this AI. Here it's saying us to click in any video we want to watch and we can understand the video in seconds. Now let us go to YouTube and try to understand and make it work out. Say I want to understand this real life role video. This video was made possible by Auto. So basically, I clicked on the extension and it said what is inside the video in few seconds, and it's telling me how you can instantly grasp and understand the data. Actually, this is useful, guys. So what are there in these videos is easily understood by these timestamps. This is actually cool, guys. Let's see what's here. It basically generated a whole mind map on how this video is used. You can scroll and see how it is. If it's screen, full screen. You can also generate notes for this. You have a whole mind map and notes and everything for free, guys. This is actually so useful. So these are the pages, and I hope this will be useful for you guys. Now let us move on to coolcoloringpages.com. This AI allows us to use prompts in order to create coloring pages for children, website designs, etc. Now let me show an example. Let's say I want to create a supercar with name Ferrari or Lambo behind it. Let's see how it creates the now image. Let us generate the image. Now it has generated the image. Let's see how it is. Now it has created an awesome, amazing image. That's really cool, guys. I've also created an old image here. This is actually really cool. You can use this for your designs, websites, and etc. This can be used in a lot of methods. This is productphoto.easystudio.ai. This AI is for web designers and product freelancers for creating images and advertisements for their products. As you can see here, a lot of images has been created, and you can specifically give your own background for the product without having to create expensive photo shoots, and it will be lightning fast creation. Now I have already signed in and logged in. You can log in and sign in by pressing these links. Let's go log in. Now I have created a product called green tea using ChatGPT, and let's see how good it gives this product and makes it into the background. Let's describe the photo scene. Now I have created the prompt. Let's see how good it creates the image. Okay, it's generating the image, so it might take 2 to 3 minutes. Now it has created the image. It's actually really cool, guys.